Winter is a special time. It's a time for cozy nights and warm feelings. It's a time to decorate our homes and make them inviting. One way to do that is with DIY decorations. And what's better than using recycled wood? It's good for the planet. And it adds a rustic charm to your home. Let's get started on creating a winter wonderland. Recycled wood has a story. It has character. Each piece is unique. When you use it for your decorations, you bring that history into your home. It adds warmth and personality to your space. You'll love the way it makes your home feel extra special. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some basic tools and materials. Don't worry, you can find most of these at your local hardware store. Here's what you'll need. Recycled wood pieces of various sizes, sandpaper with medium and fine grit, a saw, either a handsaw or a jigsaw, wood glue, a hammer and nails, paint and paintbrushes if you want to add some color, twine or ribbon, and festive embellishments like pine cones and berries. Having all your materials ready will make the process smoother. It will be like having all the ingredients before baking a cake. Make sure to check off each item as you gather them. Now let's prepare our wood. This is a crucial step that sets the foundation for any woodworking project. This step is important for a smooth and polished finish. The quality of your preparation will directly impact the final outcome. First, selecting. Choose wood pieces that are sturdy and free of large cracks. Inspect each piece carefully to ensure it meets your project's requirements. You can use pallets, old furniture pieces, or scrap wood from previous projects. Recycling wood not only saves money but also adds character to your work. Next, cleaning. Clean the wood thoroughly with a damp cloth. This removes surface dirt and prepares the wood for further treatment. Remove any dirt or debris. A clean surface ensures better adhesion of paint or stain. Let the wood dry completely before moving on to the next step. This prevents any moisture-related issues later on. Then, sanding. Sanding is important. It smooths out rough edges and prepares the wood for painting or staining. Use medium grit sandpaper first. This helps to remove any major imperfections and rough spots. Then, use fine grit sandpaper for a smoother finish. This step is essential for achieving a professional look. Finally, cutting now. Cut the wood into the shapes and sizes needed for your projects. Accurate cutting is key to fitting pieces together seamlessly. Use a saw for this step. Make sure your saw is sharp and suitable for the type of wood you're working with. Be sure to measure twice and cut once. Remember, safety first. Accurate measurements prevent waste and ensure a perfect fit. Always wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection when working with tools. Safety should always be your top priority to avoid accidents and injuries. Finally, apply a wood conditioner to prepare the wood for staining or painting. This ensures an even finish and enhances the wood's natural beauty. Let's start with a classic, a wooden Christmas tree. This project is perfect for adding a rustic touch to your holiday decor. It's easier than you think. With just a few materials and some basic tools, you can create a charming centerpiece for your home. First, cut different lengths of wood for the branches. Make sure to measure carefully to get the perfect size for each piece. Start with a longer piece for the bottom. This will give your tree a sturdy base. Gradually decrease the length as you move towards the top. This will create the classic triangular shape of a Christmas tree. Next, arrange the pieces to form a triangle shape. Lay them out on a flat surface to ensure they fit together nicely. Make sure the bottom piece is the longest. This will help balance the tree and keep it stable. This will be the base of your tree. It's important to get this part right for a solid foundation. Then attach the pieces together using wood glue and nails. Make sure everything is secure before moving on to the next step. You can add a small piece of wood at the back for support. This will help keep your tree upright. Finally, once the glue is dry, decorate your tree. You can paint it, wrap it with twine, or add festive embellishments like ornaments and lights. Your wooden Christmas tree will look beautiful in your living room, adding a cozy and festive touch to your holiday decor. Or even on your porch. It's a versatile decoration that can bring holiday cheer to any part of your home. Don't forget to sand the edges of the wood pieces to avoid any splinters and give your tree a polished look. Next, let's create some whimsical snowflake wall art. This is a fun project that adds a touch of winter magic to your walls. First, cut small pieces of wood into thin rectangular strips. These will be the arms of your snowflakes. Then, arrange the strips into snowflake shapes. You can get creative with the designs. After that, use wood glue to attach the strips together. Make sure the glue is dry before moving on to the next step. Finally, once the snowflakes are dry, attach a piece of twine or ribbon to the back for hanging. These wooden snowflakes look beautiful hanging on a wall or even on your front door. For an extra touch, consider painting your snowflakes in winter colors. Now let's make a jolly wooden snowman. This delightful project is perfect for bringing the family together and creating lasting memories. This is a fun project for the whole family. Gather everyone around and get ready to unleash your creativity. First, cut 3 different sizes of circles from the wood. Make sure to use a saw carefully and always follow safety guidelines. These will be the head, body, and base of your snowman. Label them clearly to avoid any mix-ups during assembly. Next, stack the circles, starting with the largest at the bottom and the smallest at the top. This will form the classic snowman shape. Use wood glue to secure them together. Make sure to apply an even layer of glue for a strong bond. Then cut out small pieces of wood for the eyes, nose, and mouth. You can get creative with the shapes and sizes. Glue them onto the head of the snowman. Position them carefully to give your snowman a cheerful expression. Finally, add a hat and scarf made from fabric scraps or felt. These accessories will give your snowman a cozy and festive look. You can even add buttons down the front of the snowman's body. Choose colorful buttons to make your snowman stand out. This charming snowman will add a touch of whimsy to your mantelpiece or bookshelf. It's a delightful decoration that will bring joy to your home. For the final touch, you can paint your snowman to give it a vibrant and lively appearance. Let it dry completely before displaying. Finally, let's create a rustic holiday sign to welcome guests. First, choose a piece of wood that's the right size for your sign. Then, sand the edges of the wood to smooth them out. After that, paint your sign with a festive background color. Next, use stencils or freehand paint a holiday message or greeting on your sign. Hang your sign on your front door or above your fireplace to spread holiday cheer. Now that you've created all these beautiful decorations, it's time to put them all together. Arrange your wooden Christmas tree, snowflake wall art, snowman, and holiday sign in a way that creates a cohesive and festive look. You can group them together on a mantelpiece, spread them throughout your home, or even create a special Winter Wonderland corner. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to decorate. Let your creativity guide you and have fun creating a space that reflects your personal style and the joy of the season. Creating your own Winter Wonderland with recycled wood is a rewarding experience. It allows you to bring the beauty of nature into your home while embracing the spirit of sustainability. As you gather around your handmade decorations this winter, remember the love and care that went into each piece. And don't forget to share the joy of DIY crafting with your loved ones. Happy holidays! Spread holiday cheer by making DIY gifts, baking treats, and creating festive cards. Enjoy the season.